Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So again, this morning we're looking at a dew point value of 58, which is extremely comfortable. So with an air temperature of 64 and that dew point, we get an 80% relative humidity, and it's a cool, crisp, lovely start to the morning. Not quite a full moon out there, but still a very beautiful sky, lots of starshine, and not much in the way of any kind of cloud cover across the region. An indication that dawn will be breaking with lots of sunshine, and that will heat us up again today to an afternoon high very similar to yesterday. East-northeast wind continues at about 8, similar to yesterday at this hour. And as we head into the 9 o'clock time frame, probably around 72 degrees, heading into lunch about 85. Top it out today with temperatures in the upper 80s. Once again, we'll go with 87 by 3 p.m. We'll probably have a daytime high of around 89 once again. And then this evening, temperatures falling off into the lower 80s. A little bit of a breeze this evening, coming in a little bit stronger perhaps, and small craft might have to exercise some caution on our area waterways this evening as we get a bit of a wind surge. So an easterly flow throughout the day today keeps the sea breeze pinned very close to the coastline, so most everybody has kind of a uniform temperature structure, except right along the barrier islands where you'll pick up a very, very shallow sea breeze possibly, and that will keep your temperatures. Well, you'll probably top it off about where everybody else does, but then you'll rapidly decrease. Yesterday, Holmes Beach at about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, when they hit their daytime high temperature near 90, within 45 minutes, they dropped 5 degrees as they developed a little bit more of a westerly wind flow. None of us did who lived on the mainland, and that'll be the case again this afternoon. A few scattered showers over on the other coast. They never make it to our area. All die out before that happens. Otherwise, we look for daytime temperatures that, again, reflective of yesterday, and morning lows tomorrow that'll be similar to what they are right now. Scattered showers and thunderstorms build into a severe weather event again today. Missouri, Kansas City, all seeing the potential of some strong weather once again. In fact, it's the highest risk today that it ever has been. I'm sure it'll be a very active weather day in the Central Plains. The low pressure area kind of very slowly meanders along. It's really cut off from the upper level flow, and the combination of this warm, moist air lifting up out of the Gulf of Mexico and cold air back behind this low is what's going to trigger off those showers and thunderstorms again today, while we enjoy a continuation of that high pressure ridge, sinking air, easterly wind, and little in the way of any kind of a rain chance, although we could use it as our drought indexes continue to rise. Sunny and warm today, dry straight into the weekend, and that east wind continuing. Now, as we head into the weekend, that high pressure ridge, which has been providing us with this easterly wind flow and very fair weather, will weaken just a little bit as a little trough of low pressure down toward the Bahamas begins to advance toward the state of Florida. As that happens, this easterly flow may relax a little bit. We may see that sea breeze just a tad bit stronger, little increase in moisture. All those things may add to slightest little rain chances, particularly in inland areas, starting on about Saturday, particularly on Monday and Tuesday of next week. Titan radar quiet right now across the entire state. Don't expect rains today. Drought index continues to rise. And then back to the west, we continue to watch already at this hour kind of an active weather pattern beginning to develop with a bow echo, looks like, starting to develop near Kansas City. So there could be some fairly strong wind action out there this morning. For boaters today, northeast wind increases during the evening hours. Don't be caught by surprise by that. It could get kind of breezy out there. Moderate chop anticipated, though, for most of the day. 88 today, tomorrow the same. We'll look for similar conditions on Friday. For the next 3 days, just repeating what we saw yesterday, which is basically daytime highs warm and rain-free, low humidity skies. Saturday will put in that slight chance of a shower as we weaken that high pressure ridge, and then as we head into next week, perhaps slightly better chances on Tuesday with increased low level humidity and some slightly cooler temperatures.